Scrappy's disposable dusting sheets remove dirt, sand, dust, and hair from all hard surfaces, including floors, baseboards, molding, vents, and counters. These single-ply, double-sided sheets are constructed of non-woven fibers and externally coated on both sides with a proprietary adhesive that removes dust and debris, but leaves no sticky residue behind. Designed to fit a variety of dusting tools, sheets come in both 5 and 8-inch widths, which are perforated every 6 inches. Whether you're floor dusting with a conventional dusting tool, or dust mop, high dusting, or dusting by hand, you'll know you're getting a superior clean not possible with conventional dusting applications. Since the powerful sheets are disposable, there's no need to launder or store unsanitary soiled mops, saving you money and providing a more hygienic facility. Ideal for hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare facilities. Disposable dusting sheets are also perfect for retail locations, hair salons, gyms, hospitality, educational facilities, and more.